Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Shady Shay, and I am so excited to talk to you guys about this wig that UNice was kind enough to send over to me. So first, let's get into the packaging. You will receive this pink bag that has the word UNice on it. I think that's so nice of them because you're able to store your wig in that bag if you don't want to store it in this box. Inside the box, you will get an adjustable band so that you can wear the wig glueless. They'll also provide you with more goodies. And so in this box, I did receive an edge band. So when you land your baby hairs, baby, you can lay it down with this edge band. And then also they provide you a HD wig cap. They also was nice enough to send me over some UNice stickers as well as some press-on nails. What company you know is sending press-on nails? Baby, UNice wants you to look good from head to hands to eyes because, baby, they also send me over some eyelashes. Okay, UNice, I see you. Okay, so now it's time to talk about the star of the show. So UNice has this wig line called Bye Bye Knots. When I tell you this line is everything, the wig is pre-cut, the lace is pre-cut, it comes with baby hairs, it's literally ready to throw on your head. So the wig that I got is a 24-inch 7x7 glueless lace wig. This wig comes with one comb in the back. Look at the baby hairs, y'all. They're already laid. Look at it. I have to give y'all a close-up. The baby hairs is laid, honey. The knots are bleached. And then this is what your scalp gonna look like. I had to demonstrate it on my hand, but I'm gonna show y'all on my head too. And baby, look at the curls. Look at the curls. Okay, y'all, so I went ahead and installed the adjustable band and then I threw the wig straight on. Like, I was too thirsty. I didn't have time to do anything else. I just couldn't wait to put the wig on my head straight out the box. And oh my goodness, do y'all see this? The baby hairs is laying perfectly on my head. The wig already looks perfect. It looks so good. I was shocked. I was shooketh. Okay, I was too shocked. Look at that. That looks good. That looks good. Me personally, I would have walked out the door with the wig just like that because it looks so good to me. But I went ahead and put my foundation powder on the scalp line just to kind of make it look a little bit more realistic than what it already looked, because it already looked like it was growing from my scalp, honey. It did. But now I put the powder on the lace and it even blended in even more. Like, y'all see me, I keep lifting up the wig like, y'all, this is not glued down. Like, I am shocked. Now, y'all know I don't wear wigs. Like, I do like the V-part wigs, you know, something that leaves my natural hair out because I don't know how to do the lace. So I'm so thankful for UNice coming out with this Bye Bye Knot wig line because, baby, you literally open the box and throw the wig on your head and bam, there you go. You good to go. You ready to do what you want to do out in these streets, honey. Right now, I'm just adjusting the band to make it fit tighter on my head. And then look, do y'all see this? So I decided to go in with my water bottle. So inside this water bottle is just water and some conditioner. That's it. Because this hair is curly, like, there was no way that I could not put any product in this hair because I just have to show y'all how good UNiceHair is. Like, it is so good. So I'm spraying the water in the conditioner on one side, and I'm just gonna give y'all just like a different look if you choose not to wear it as puffy as it is to the left. You can see what it looks like when it's kind of wet. Baby, the curls are amazing. Okay, so this is the wet side and this is how it came straight out the box. Both sides look really good. I had to sit back so y'all can just, you know, get the full view. Baby, you know I love volume, so I definitely love the left side and I love the right side too because this is literally some good hair and it's full and thick and everything. Love it. So I decided to go ahead and wet the other side of my hair because I couldn't go out one side puffy, one side wet. But overall, y'all, I 100% recommend UNice Bye Bye Knot wig line. Y'all definitely need to try it out, especially if you're a beginner like myself, don't know much about hair, don't know how to do all that extra stuff, baby hairs, because baby, I cannot do a baby hair to save my life. This was so helpful to have a wig to come straight out the box with the baby hair already done. What? Already done? All you gotta do is literally take the wig out the box, throw the adjustable band on if you see fit, and keep it moving. Baby, thank you so much, UNice, for sponsoring today's video because, baby, Y'all finna to see me wear the heck out of this wig, okay? I was literally so stunned when I put this wig on that I actually captured me once I finished doing my hair. This is what I had to say. Wow. I really cannot believe I put this wig on straight out the box. Straight out the box. It looks amazing. Let me stand up. Y'all, this wig is straight out the freaking box. Wow. I'm stunned. All right, y'all, so this is literally maybe about 10 hours later. I decided to do the outro for the video because I had forgot that I didn't, show the final look once the hair dried and everything. We're just going to ignore the fact that it looked like somebody been frying chicken on top of my face because it's so oily. It's not about the makeup, baby. It's about the hair, okay? Look at the hair. Look at the baby hairs. Look at how flawless this lace is on my skin. Look at these curls, baby. Look at all of that. I highly suggest you guys check out UNice wigs. If I have a discount code or if there's any specials going on, I will list everything in the description box below. And until next time, guys, bye.